the program we're supporting tonight from the Ecology Center, and Elise will start. She's the head of the program.
So today what we're supporting is the Youth Environmental Academy, and our hope and dream with that is to actually cultivate the next generation of sustainable leaders. Let Dante have the floor a little bit to talk about his experience with our youth programming. And again, thank you so much for continuing to support the youth and support a sustainable future for us all. Thank you.
To start off, I started through a program called Farm Fresh Choice, and what Farm Fresh Choice does is buys directly from the farmers at the Berkeley Farmers Market and then brings that back into the communities of Southwest Berkeley and gives it for the most affordable rates to the people within the community and gives them the resources and the understanding of what to do with that food. So I'm really happy to see everyone out here to support this. It means a lot to me just to know that I can be giving this back to someone else and I can be sharing my experience with other people. What we're dealing with now is the Youth Environmental Academy, and this is a much more diverse program. It's allowed the youth to be involved in the Ecology Center in so many different ways. It's allowing them to be in our recycling yard, at our farmers markets, and really giving them a much larger degree and understanding of what we do at the Ecology Center versus what I learned just from Farm Fresh Choice. So I'm so happy just to see everyone come out and support. Glad everyone enjoyed their dinners, and thank you guys so much.